Hi everyone, today we will understand how to create EC2 instance using AWS CLI tool. Before that, we need some pre-requirements like first we need to specify the image and machine image ID and operating system and what type of instance we need and key pair name and we will use to configure instance and choose the security group. So and you want to assign which security group and specify the subnet ID and want to instance specify the initial parameters like a bootstrap script like that. I will show you before that we need to create a EC2 instance already in normal way. This process I will explain you for a POC purpose. I'm already created the one EC2 instance and I'm connecting this EC2 instance. I'm using the VS Code to connect the EC2 instance. First I'm clicking the VS Code. I'm opening my VS Code. My VS Code was opening in progress. Here you see opening my VS Code in progress in backend. Yeah, it's got open. This is my private IP. I will show you if you want. My IP 172.31.92.61 is my private IP. Okay. Here the configuration you should configure. We have to give the parameters. It will connect easily. For these steps, I will show you here in the GitHub repository. You will go through. I'm using the VS Code for security reason. I'm using VS Code for my lab setup. If you want to check the IP address in this confirmation, IP. Yeah, the IP address should proper. You can see the IP address is there. Same IP address is there. If you want to check the voice server, the voice version. Yeah, EC2 instruct. EC2 user only. And now first you have to go to the root only, then only it will be work. Connecting with the user. Before that, you need to gather some specific details are required. What are the details? What are the requirements? So first, you need to clear about the AWS key pair name. Before that, I will go with the image better. Image ID, how you can get? If you go to EC2 instance tab, launch instance. In the launch instance tab, here you will see the EMI ID. And that way you can gather. You can copy and paste it on Notepad++. And second, what you need, key pair name. Suppose we already created. Otherwise, you can get from the. Suppose if you want to get the image ID, you can just give this command. You will get the what are the images available. Okay. Otherwise, I am going with this key pair name better. For you want to check this key pair name, I am going with the normal way. For that, you can select with the. I am selecting AWS Lab. I'm selecting this key pair. Otherwise, you need to create new key pair. You can download. And what are the next requirement? Subnet ID. How you can get the subnet ID? For that, you can go with the VPC. In the VPC, you will see you can click subnets. The subnet ID you will see like that, okay? Just copy and paste in your notepad before execution of the command. It's a very easy process. So you can copy this way. You can just correct it. It will be copy the subject name. Okay. First we need to install the some AWS CLI. I'm just installing the AWS CLI. I'm already installed. That is it's showing it's already installed. First, you need to configure the AWS secret key and first you need to configure the AWS Connect. For that installation also you will go through the official document. I'm going with the official document. Here you can go and install. I'm already downloaded. That's the reason I'm not going to do. You can go and download. How you can check it's installed properly or not? Go this command. AWS version. It will show AWS version. Okay. Next, sorry for the close. I'm just clearing. I'm going to main. And before run the command, I already gathered all the details. I put it in one notepad. The launch command should be very clear. First, you want to create a ACT item. If you want to run EC2 launch instance, first you need to give AWS to run instance. Image ID, I already copied. And count, we required one instance. And instance type T2 micro. The keeper name AWS Lab, I already created. Corporate ID, I already gathered. Just copy this command and paste it here. The instance got created. Let's go and check your console. For that, go to click the user instance tab. Yeah, here started creating one instance. Here showing the pending. You can see here started the instance creation. You can see what that. The very easy process. We don't need to install any third-party software. By using AWS CLI also we can create a user instance in real-time POC. That's about it. Thanks everyone.